Hi, I am Rajiv from myetutors, and today in this brand new episode I am starting a new module, and the topic of the module is atomic structure. It is the class 11th CBSE curriculum chapter, and I would say that it is the most important chapter of the total chemistry which you are going to study either in class 11th or in class 12, because it is one of the pillars of chemistry. Now, physical chemistry is basically used as a tool for explaining the concepts of organic or inorganic chemistry, and atomic structure is one of those chapters which is directly or indirectly associated with the concepts that we are explaining in either organic chemistry for explaining reactions, stabilities and the compounds that are formed, or similarly for inorganic chemistry it may be specific reactions or the properties of the compounds or the exceptional behaviors. We call it exceptional behaviors, but there is a solid reason behind that. So atomic structure contributes to all those things. So let's dive into detail to understand what this module is all about. Now, the atomic structure chapter is basically all about atomic models, because we can't see the atom, so we are deriving the atomic models to elaborate the arrangement of the constituent particles. So the first video would be consisting of Dalton's and Thomson's atomic models. Now the next video would be Rutherford atomic model. That is alpha scattering experiment. Third would be discovery of neutrons. And few definitions of atomic number, atomic masses, and the fourth video would be of wave and particle nature. So wave and particle characteristic, it would include Planck's quantum theory. Now the fifth video would be Bohr's atomic model. The following videos, that is sixth video, would be spectrum, that are different types of spectrum. The next seventh video would be drawbacks of Bohr's atomic model. The eighth video would be dual nature, that is de Broglie's wave equation. The ninth video would be uncertainty principle. The 10th video would be wave atomic model or quantum atomic model. Next, 11th video would be of quantum numbers. And this is the most important part because it has a very wide application, and we would be applying the concepts of these throughout the chemistry when we are explaining either concepts of organic chemistry or inorganic chemistry. And 12th video would be of electronic configuration. That is, I am dealing with the rules that are associated with electronic configuration. So these are the 12 videos that I have planned for this chapter in the sequence, and this would be slowly developing your concepts. And what would be more better that each video would be associated with a practice sheet for CBSE based questions. So you have seen the outline of the module. Now what would be better for you? There are two options. First option is that you have the material with you. You can study on your own and gain whatever confidence you want to have. The second option is that you can register on the website. The benefit of registering on the website would be, while you are watching these videos or solving these practice sheets, if some doubts precipitate out, then you can discuss those doubts at the chemistry blog, and I would be supporting you for eliminating those doubts. So what would be benefiting you? It's your takeaway. Do comment in the comment section below if you want to have some elaborated video on a specific topic of the structure that I have given for this module. Follow us on social media. If you think that the videos that you are watching has given you some better insight, then give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. By hitting the bell icon, YouTube will send you a notification whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. Thanks for watching the video.